Here I have Nokia C20, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to hold down power key, and after you see this turn off menu, you just have to hold down your finger on the power off, and then when you see this reboot to safe mode proposal, just tap OK, and after that your device will be restarted in a safe mode. And as you can see, the sign here at the bottom says safe mode, which is the proof that we're in a safe mode right now. As you can see, in safe mode the internet apps are disabled because internet is not healthy for your device. Downloaded apps are disabled in a safe mode. That's how it works. If you want to quit this mode, just restart your device, and after that it will be restarted in a normal mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.